In a shocking turn of events, a suspect Kevin Kinyanjui Kangethe has managed to escape from Nairobi's Muthaiga police station. The man was in custody, awaiting extradition to the United States, where he is accused of murdering his girlfriend and abandoning her lifeless body in his car at Boston Airport. The escape occurred when a man, purportedly Kevin's lawyer, arrived at the police station. The individual managed to secure Kevin's release from his cell, allowing them to be left alone. Taking advantage of this opportunity, the suspect fled by running away, as detailed in the police report. The escape route extended beyond the police station, with suspicions arising that Kevin might have boarded a matatu to further distance himself from authorities. The legitimate legal team representing Kevin Kangethe expressed their shock and dismay at the unexpected escape. They assert that they were caught unawares by the sudden turn of events and currently have no knowledge of the fugitive's whereabouts. As efforts intensify to locate and apprehend Kangethe, his legal representatives are working to gather information and collaborate with authorities in the pursuit of justice. The authorities have taken swift action by arresting 4 police officers. These officers were presumably involved in the security lapses that allowed the suspect to escape custody. The arrests underscore the seriousness with which the authorities are treating the situation, as they work to investigate the circumstances surrounding the escape and hold those responsible accountable. The escape of Kevin Kangethe from Nairobi's Muthaiga police station has sent shockwaves through the legal and law enforcement communities. With the accused murderer now on the run, the focus shifts to the efforts to locate and apprehend him, ensuring that justice is served. As investigations unfold, questions regarding the security lapses that facilitated the escape will undoubtedly be addressed, and the legal proceedings against Kangethe will continue to develop. Continue following the Kenyan News Channel to get more updates on this story.